Hello, connections. Today we are going to explore the web scraping facilities of properties of Power BI. For that, now first we will go to the Yahoo Finance site to check that. This link I will paste in the description menu. We can see we have gone to the Yahoo Finance site. Here we will go to the markets menu and then we will click on the most active stocks. We have clicked on the most active stocks. Then we select any stock over here. We can select the Nvidia Corporation stock from the most active stock. It has to click the Nvidia Corporation stock. So it is open, so we can check the historical data of this stock by clicking this this menu. Here we can see the only 1 day stock details are being presented over here. We can click it over here and change it to say 3 months. For analysis part, it will be much better. So it is 3 months stock we are getting. Now we are getting historical prices and the frequency is daily. So we have an option of daily, weekly, monthly. Presently, we will be selecting daily and press the apply button. Apply. Now it is applied. So now we can go to the download section instead of downloading it. Copy link. We can copy the link over here. Then we can directly go to Power BI. Then we can go to the get data, upload over here. We can get the web from web. We have to upload, so we can just have to click paste the URL over here so we can see the URL is pasted. Just press OK. Now the stock will be uploaded. The Power BI will web scrap the stock from the link. Now we can so see the date, open, high, low, close, adjust close, and volume are the columns or the columns which are been imported in Power BI. So we can just do the transform data function over here. That is, we have transformed the data in the Power Query editor. Here we can see the date. Date is properly shown as date column. So all the columns are shown in a proper manner. It is decimal number, open, high, low, close, adjacent, and volume. Now we will be adding, this is only for the Nvidia stock. So we will be adding few more stocks, and for that to this what we call it, this is the pricing table. So we will go to the advanced editor. For this we will click over here to the let. Whether the let is written, we will just click over here and press enter twice. Now, for making a parameter to add more stock, we will select this function stock quote as text as table. Just select it, then copy it and then paste it over here. I will put this in the description box so you can just copy it if you want to practice this file. Here we can see that this has been selected over here. Now instead of NVIDIA, we need to select this. So we can just select this and we can just select this and right over here, right over here and sorry, we can write the ampersand over here, code, and the close by the ampersand. We have taken the inverted commas, ampersand, stock code, ampersand, and again closed by the inverted commas. So now we have linked the stock code to this parameter, and there it shows that no syntax errors have been detected. So we will press the done button over here, and we can see the parameter has been set. We can rename the parameter. This is the stock pull parameter. Stock pull. We can pull the stocks right from here. So this is the stock pull parameter, and I think this is done. Now we can go ahead. We can get the new source of data from here. Now I have created one stock list file which I will show you in Excel. You can just put the quote symbol, any symbols over here which are from the stocks, from the Yahoo Finance stock symbols. All the symbols I've selected from there, and so you can put it over here and make an Excel file, a very short list, just 7 to 8 stocks. You can make as many as required. So now we will go over here and upload new source data, Excel workbook, and just click it, then upload the stock list to the Power BI. You can see over here it has been uploaded. Here we can click the sheet one so we can get this. Now we will press OK. Now it has been uploaded. Now we can see over here the quote symbol needs to be in the header. So we will use the first row as header over here. Now it is done. Here we can rename the sheet. And this is a stock list. We are renaming the sheet as stock list. And now we will go to the add column. Add column, we can invoke custom function so that we can link this sheet. We can put this at stock pull. We can link this sheet with the parameter we have set. And so the prices of the stocks, which for these symbols will be reflected. We can just press OK. Here we see the tables have been shown. Here we see for each stock price, we can see the tables over here. So each stock price, the tables are appearing, and just we can go over here and then click it over here. Remove this huge original column name as prefix. Just remove it and just press load more and press it OK. Once we can see there are different symbols, all the symbols have the stocks for all the different kind of symbols have come over here. It was Nvidia earlier, but now we have taken different symbols. So we can do it. We can see over here that now we have to change few things. Now this date has to be changed in the date format. It is showing text, so it will not reflect as date. If we so for showing visuals, if we have to drill down the date, it will not work properly. Now these we will take in a decimal format. All the numbers we will take it in a decimal format. I think this we can take in a currency format because this is the price which is being done. Here we can take it over here. This is the fixed decimal number. Replace current. Okay, here we can also do the same thing. Replace current. So I think this will be the price. So we will take the fixed decimal number, the dollar symbol for it. Here we can take the fixed decimal number. Adjacent close. This is also the price. So we can take the fixed decimal number and this is the volume of shares which are being traded. So we can take this as a decimal number. Now the formatting of the columns have been done in a proper manner. Now this is the text, so that is okay. Now we will just go to the home page and then close and apply. We will just press close and apply over here. And now we can see we will be loading this in a Power BI desktop. There we will be using the visuals to just so that we can present the data in a visual. So now I think we have to get more visuals over here to present the data. We can use the visuals over here. So we will get this candlestick by okviz visual. This will show us the stock details. This visual will help us to store the stock details, the high, close, and low, high, open, close, and low of the stock. So we will load these visuals onto the Power BI. It is loading slowly, so we can add the visuals over here. It has been added. We can see the visual was successfully imported in this report. That's okay. Now we will go to get more visuals. that we will specify the chiclet slicer so that we can slice the different type of companies. We can slice them. We can select the various companies. If we want one, we can one, two, three, like that. So we will get this chiclet slicer imported into the Power BI desktop. We can see the message it was successfully imported in this report. The latest version 2.0.5.0 of this visual is being deployed and will be available within 10 days of the release and app source. Until then, the version 1.63 is running. That's okay. That is just a message. It's okay. So now we are here to form the visuals. So we will go over here and select this visual. And over here, we will just press the x-axis. The x-axis, the name suggests that is the date which is there. The date, then the open. As we can see, whatever is there, the open will be in the open. Then close. Over here, close will go in close. So all the names have been suggested over here. The high will go in high. Then the low will go in low. As we can see over here, the visuals have been created. Now we will put the date slicer. The visuals have to be polished a little bit. We will go over here. We will first, I think, we will go over here and start the high-low caps so that we can show the high-low options over here. Now we will select the date visual, the dates over here, that is the slicer visual we will be selecting. Now we'll be putting the date over here in the slicer visual over here so that we can see that we are selected 3 months. Now we will just select a month for purpose of visualization so that we can visualize it in a proper manner. That will be around 17th of April, March. We are going ahead. We are going behind. We need to go over here. So that will be 17th. Okay, now it is only one visual has been shown over here. So we will check the chiclet slicer. We will check the chiclet slicer. So I think this is the problem with this because we need to drill down. Oh, now we can see the visuals have been seen when we drill down. We done on a month. This is on the daily basis. Earlier it was shown, so we were not able to see the visuals. Now we were showing on daily basis. Earlier it was on monthly basis. Now we will use the chiclet slicer. We will get a background for this visual so that we can, okay, set visuals, candlesticks, and trend lines, pineapples, general properties. I think there is no properties. Okay, fine, let it be. I can select the slicer settings, the slider. You can select the background over here. The background is on. Background doesn't have the colors. Oh, I think this is much better. Border. We need to select the border for the visuals so that we can differentiate it. And we can just select the border, slicer settings, slicer header, values, the borders. Borders needs to be selected for it. Okay, fine. Now we will go over here and here we will check the chiclet slicer. The chiclet slicer will contain the category, that is the code symbol. Now we can see over here, we can see that we can just select this thing. Amazon, that's it. We can select Tesla. So here are the visuals. We can update those visuals now. I will show you one thing over here. one thing, if we update the stock list, that is a good, interesting thing to be shown. Now we can go to Yahoo Finance side, go backwards, and we can see one more stock. We can just update it in the Excel file. So going down, okay, we can select any stock that is the Ford Matter or the NU holding, or we can select the Meta platforms. META is the code. We can just write over here. We can just write the code over here. So we can just select the code. Now we just write the code and press the save button, close the file. Then we can select over here. Then we can go to the recent refresh. Refresh. So just by refreshing this, we can see. Now we can see the meta is appearing over here. Meta stock. It was not earlier there. It is just appearing over here. So that is the powerful thing about Power BI. Now one more thing is left to be shown to you. This is the thing like we can just select. We have selected this. We have selected the most active with the NVIDIA. NVIDIA will go over here. We can change the date range, historical data. Historical data. If we go to over here, we can see the data view, the date over here is how much. It is from 18th May to 17th August. Now, if we are to select, now if we are to change the date range, the date range, the daily updation of stocks are there. So we can just select over here. We had selected 3 months. Now we'll be selecting 6 months. Just select 6 months. It will be from February to August. Here we can see we have from May, from May to August. May to August we have. We can change that thing. We can change the date range. Just go to the transform date button, data button. And here we can go to the advanced editor. Advanced editor. Now we have to just change the period. If we have to add the period, if you have to change the period, now the period is from February 18 to August 18. So we will select apply. Then we will press the link, copy link. We will copy this link in our Word file. Here we have copied the link. Now we will select this. Select this period. This is the period we are selecting. We will just select it and just change the period over here. This is the period. This is the period been selected. We can select, we can change the period here. Here we go. And second period also. The second period, we are changing it. We are changing it over here. Copy and just paste it over here. Paste it. So we will see the magic just by doing this. Doing this, we can see the magic. I think the period might not have been selected properly because we have not selected 169. We have just selected 231 in this thing. So we need to select it in a proper manner. Otherwise, our functions won't work. Here we can just go. This is the date which we are selecting. So that's it. We can see over here. We can just press the done button. Here we go. Now we go over here. Close and apply. Close and apply. Now the stock will be updated. Now we can see. Now we can see over here. It is from February. It is updated from February. It is updated for 6 months till 17th of the August. So, so that's it from my side, guys. This is all from my side. This is Alkesh Monda signing off. And please share the video if you like it. Please press the like button. Please share the video. And please subscribe to my channel also. If you feel the information useful, Okay, bye bye. Look at